to make Nigerian Akara and what you need to know making Nigerian Akara. Both for sale and both for eat, especially if you are planning to open a restaurant this season, this is the right video for you to watch. Let's dive on this video. Making Akara, first thing you have to do is to soak your beans. You have to soak your beans at least 5 to 6 hours before you can get rid of the skin. Getting rid of the skin, some people say it's optional, but for me, I prefer getting rid of the skin of the beans before I make use of it. After blending the first batch, then I will be blending the second batch with onions and hot pepper. This is very important, guys. You need this both making Nigerian Akara, hot pepper and onions. Then I will blend that together with the remaining beans. The process did not finish here, guys. After blending with your blender, you don't just have to carry oil and fry your Akara. You still have to take it to other process, and I'm going to show you all this process in this recipe. First of all, we have to season the beans. I'll be seasoning with star Maggie and non-Maggie, then adding a little bit of salt to taste. Here is the next process. Before frying your Akara, you have to first of all whisk it with your whisker. It's very important. This will enable your Akara to balance well after frying. It will make your Akara to look more soft and more fluffy. You can see before I whisk it and after I whisk it, you can see how different it looks. This is just the best. If you follow this process to make your Nigerian Akara, trust me, your customer is going to love it 100%. Next thing you are going to be needing is oil. Making Nigerian Akara, you need a lot of oil. If you can't afford a lot of oil, just go with little bit of pan. If you have a little bit of pan, make use of it. That will enable you to save oil. For example, I'm making use of frying pan, so I just make use of only 1 liter of oil. You can see how it covers the pan that I'm using, so that is just the best. You have to have oil that will cover the pan you are using, so don't use a big pan so that you can afford the oil. And cutting it again, you have to have a cup spoon, something like this spoon I'm using. So if you are using cup spoon to cut your Akara inside the oil, it will make all your Akara to have one shape. So now the Akara is fried, I will just turn the other side. If you have watched to this extent, you haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for? Share the post so that other people will see this recipe. Now the Akara is ready and is fried. I'll just take it out from the oil. 99% of Nigerians like this recipe, and this is one of the best snacks we have in Nigeria. We love to eat it because we love it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't shared the post, please share. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. See you in my next one. Bye bye.